If you're looking to upgrade the optics on your micro compact, this Osight SE might really be a great option for you. Let me pull it out of here, talk to you about some of those features you're going to want to know about it. So obviously it is for an RMSc footprint, which is those micro narrow pews, which still need optics, right? So you want to have a nice red dot on there, but you don't want to break the bank. This could really be the option for you. So when you take this thing out, you will notice, obviously it is teeny tiny because of the form and what it is and what it's going on. Check this little guy out. This thing is so cool. Oh look, you can see the red dot right there. That's how clear and easy it is to pick up your target if that's what you're doing with this thing. It is a 6 MOA, so it is nice and clear and crisp and easy to attain, yet still very precise. A couple things you will want to know about this. Number one of the common concerns with these is if you have to dismount them to change the battery. This one you do not. There's a compartment right on the side there that comes with a really nice tool. Let me show you that tool. So in the packaging, you'll see comes with a really nice tool that you could use for your adjustments as well as getting into that battery. And it comes with all of the hardware, nicely labeled, but it comes with all of the hardware for the common mounting platforms. This is a big value add if you ask me. It's a nice solid aluminum construction. The optics are great. Let me just try this one more time. Let me see if I could show you this. There, look, in 2 seconds. You see it there. It's hard to get the camera to focus on the red dot itself. Oh, that's not good. Look at how clear and easy that is. Took me 2 seconds to pick that up. That is really impressive. That is so freaking cool how quickly and easily you can pick up your target. Honestly, this thing is a guaranteed win. If you're looking for this kind of option, just go click it right now. There's a link down below, maybe one even on the screen. Those will get you the current pricing. I do need to tell you, Osight did send this to me to do this review, but I've worked with them in the past, mostly on the flashlights, but on some optics, and they've never given me any indication of instructions. I am free to say whatever I want. Actually, if you go back, look at some of the old videos, there have been some things I didn't really love so much. This I absolutely love. Assuming I've added value in this conversation, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments. It is always a great conversation down there. What are you gonna put this thing on? It is wild what some people come up with, so put that in the comments. What are you gonna use this on? I'm looking forward to hearing that from all of you. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.